It's October! The air is getting colder. The mornings are darker. It feels like the year is just slipping away. And for most people, it is. They're already mentally checked out. You hear it all the time. Oh, I'll just reset in January. I'll start fresh next year. But let's be real for a second. January 1st is just a date on the calendar. It won't wake up early for you. It won't magically fix your bad habits. And it certainly won't build your discipline for you. The truth is, if you're waiting for January to start, you're already behind. Because while most people slow down, hibernate, and drift through the winter, this is actually the most powerful season to rebuild. Welcome to what I call the winter arc. It's a 90-day period. There's no spotlight on you, no grand announcements. Just you in the quiet, executing day after day. By the time spring arrives, you're not just getting started, you're already miles ahead of everyone else. Now, this isn't just about motivation. That fades. This is a system. It's built on 5 core pillars, designed to be executed over 90 days to create a fundamental identity shift. Let's break it down. Pillar 1 is to command your time. Most people don't lack ambition. They lack structure. Their days are a mess. They go to sleep at random times, wake up feeling reactive, and let their entire day be controlled by notifications and other people's agendas. The first step is to fix this. Pick a fixed wake-up time and a fixed sleep time. And you have to protect both even on the weekends. When you control your sleep, you control your focus and your energy. It's that simple. Then, you implement the golden hour. This is the first hour after you wake up, and it is sacred. No phone. No scrolling through social media. No checking emails. Before the world gets access to your brain, you give that first, best hour to your most important goal. Use it to study, to write, to build your business, to train your body. Whatever moves the needle for you. At night, you'll implement a digital sunset. All screens go off 1 hour before bed, no exceptions. Use that time to journal. Write down 3 things you're grateful for and the 3 most important priorities for tomorrow. Creating direction at night is what generates power in the morning. Pillar 2 is to rebuild your body. You can't build a strong, resilient mind inside a neglected body. The 2 are connected. You need to move every single day. That could be lifting weights, going for a long walk, or just doing push-ups at home. The key is motion creates emotion. Don't wait to feel motivated to train. Train to create the motivation. And you need to fuel your body for performance. That means focusing on protein, whole foods, and drinking plenty of water. Your body isn't a trash can. And here's a challenge. End every shower with 30 seconds of cold water. Yes, it's uncomfortable. That's the entire point. You're teaching your nervous system to stay calm under stress. It's a small, daily act of building mental toughness. Next is pillar 3. Cleanse your mind. Let's be honest. Most people aren't tired. They're overstimulated. Your brain is constantly bombarded with information, noise, and distractions. The solution is to intentionally reduce the input. Start with just 10 minutes of silence every morning. Don't do anything. Just sit and breathe. Let your mind settle. Then, commit to reading real books for 30 minutes a day. And I don't just mean passively reading. You need to engage with the material. After a few pages, close the book and try to summarize what you just read from memory. That little bit of strain is what rewires your brain. You stop being a passive consumer of content and start building real clarity and understanding. Pillar 4 is to master one Havalya skill. Look, you can't be good at everything. Pick one skill that you know will be valuable in 5 years. Not 5 skills, just one. And dedicate 1 hour of deep, focused work to it every single day. No multitasking. Put your phone in another room. Apply the 80-20th rule. Focus on the 20% of activities that will drive 80% of the results. And most importantly, don't just watch tutorials. That feels productive, but it's not. You have to create, build the project, publish the article, apply the skill. Consumption is passive. Creation is productive. And that brings us to the final pillar. Pillar 5, execution mode. This is where it all comes together. Most people get stuck in planning mode forever. They wait until they feel perfectly ready, which, of course, never happens. The winter arc is about doing. It's about taking action. Start the project. Launch the business. Sign up for the race. You have to start messy. You have to start imperfect. You have to start scared. That's how anything great begins. Apply the principle of 1% improvement daily. These tiny, almost unnoticeable wins stack up over time. And consistency is what builds your new identity. You don't rise to the level of your goals. You fall to the level of your systems. Now, I want to be clear, this process won't be glamorous. You'll have to say no to distractions, to parties, to things that don't align with your mission. And somewhere around week 4, you are going to hit the dip. The initial excitement will fade, and the results won't be obvious yet. You'll be tempted to quit. That moment is the test. That is where most people give up. If you can push through that dip, discipline starts to become automatic. You forge a new version of yourself in that fire. And then, when spring arrives, people will start to notice. They'll wonder what you did. While they were waiting for motivation, you were building momentum. While they were waiting for January, you were using October, November, and December. The world slows down in winter. That's your advantage. So, you have a choice to make. Will you drift into the new year, just like everyone else? Or will you enter it already ahead of the game? Your day 1 starts right now. If you're committing to this journey with me, comment day 1 below. Like this video so it can reach someone else who needs to hear this. And subscribe for more systems on discipline, focus, and real growth. No hype, no shortcuts, just execution. The winter starts now.